Hey beauties, welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today I'll show you 4 of my favorite summer low buns. But before starting, don't forget to boop the like button and subscribe for more hairstyles. For the first one, we want to make our parting. Select our front sections. Grabbing one of those, you want to lightly twist it away from your face and bring it back. Pin it for later and grab second section and twist it away from your face. Grabbing both together in the back, you want to tie it with a clear elastic like that. Then you want to topsy tail it. Now grabbing the rest of your hair, you want to tie it into a low ponytail. Now bringing your ponytail up, you want to brush it to make it nice and beautiful. And then creating a small pocket, you want to tie it using a clear elastic. And last time, make sure to pull your hair halfway through. Now you want to bring the ends into created pocket and pin it with 2 or 3 good bobby pins. Stretch a little bit more your bun and pin it from the sides with grips or bobby pins. So voluminous and so elegant, right? For the second one, you want to grab your scrunchies. I'll use 2 of my favorite big scrunchies. So you want to twist them around each other like I'm showing. Then grabbing your scrunchies, making sure to brush well your hair. Tie your hair into a low ponytail. On last time, pull your hair halfway through. Twist your created bun and pull it a bit. Then grabbing the ends, you want to twist them and bring it over your bun and tuck it into the elastic underneath. To secure it better, you can use a bobby pin. Pull a little bit your scrunchies to make it full and colorful, and you're done. For the next, gathering all your hair into a low middle ponytail, you want to tie it with an elastic like that. Loosen a little bit your top crown section. Divide all your ponytail into 2 equal sections. Grabbing one of those, you want to lightly twist it and wrap it around your ponytail. Using 1 or 2 bobby pins, you want to fix it in place. Then grabbing your second section, you want to twist it opposite side. Twist it lightly and wrap it around your created bun, hiding the ends. You want to use several bobby pins to fix it well in place. And your elegant bun is ready. For the next one, we want to gather all our hair into a low ponytail. Make sure to brush it well. Then you want to twist it downwards like that and bring your ponytail up, and twisting it, you want to wrap it around created bun like I'm showing. Then grabbing an elastic, you want to tie it to secure it well in place. Now grabbing a scarf, you want to wrap it over, crisscross it underneath, and then crisscross it over and tie it underneath. Easy and so beautiful, right? Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's low buns for the summer. Don't forget to boop the like button, subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles channel for more hair videos. But that's it for today. Love you so much and see you soon in my next one. Bye!